I found another HO clockwork train on eBay. The only information the seller had on it was that it was made in Hong Kong and he was selling it for parts and repair. I did an image search of one of the seller's photographs and was able to learn more about it. Lincoln International, USA, released these clockwork trains in the 1980s. Each set included a wind-up steam locomotive, tender, and some combination of a flat car or coach. They also included black plastic track, which varied from a simple oval to a double-eight set that also included 2 trains. Notice that one version of the packaging states that they are HO scale. They're obviously not exact scale. Here it is compared to a Hornby clockwork train. And Lifelike's 040 train. Looking at the clockwork mechanism, on the Hornby one we have here, they have this mainspring in the upper front corner of the engine. On this one, the mainspring is located between the wheels. But a more significant difference is the shape of the wheels. These are obviously not RP11 profile. It'll be interesting to see if, number one, this train runs, and number 2, if it will work on actual HO scale track. It is definitely an American locomotive. You can see the pole pockets in each corner and the cow catcher, the center mounted headlight, which of course doesn't work, the sand dome on top. It used to have a whistle right here, but it's been broken off. The corner of the cab has also been broken. You got the usual lever here for locking and unlocking the mechanism while you wind it up. I'm going to go ahead now and lubricate it and see if we can get it to work. It also did not come with a key. However, I've got quite a key collection here. Trying one of these, it fits fine, so we have our key. One thing that amazes me about these toy clockwork engines is the resiliency. This is the 14th one that I purchased so far. And so far, every single one of them has worked. Let's see for how this one's going to do now that I've lubricated it and loosened it up. We have another runner. So now we have a simple oval of the Lima Crick black plastic track setup. Let's see if we can make it right on this. Well, you can see she's struggling because that front wheel is still stiff. I have to see if I can get that front wheel to loosen up. So I ended up gently prying a flat-bladed screwdriver between each of the front wheels and the frame to widen out the gauge a little bit. I also took the top off and lubricated the insides of each axle in the front, so now the wheels spin freely. And now that we got it running on the black plastic Lima track, let's see what it looks like when it runs on my HL scale layout. Look. So for one more round of experiments, I carefully filed the flanges down to something closer to our other clockwork engines. Let's see if that helps. There you go. Bought for parts and repairs for $5. Just had to clean it, just had to lubricate it, straighten up the rods a little bit, ground down the wheel bearings, and that works just fine, even with those steamroller wheels. Well, we have this loop of the Lima Quick track set up. Why don't we go ahead and run the Lima Quick train itself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.